eyes.
Hi, baby.
It's got baby eyes.
Oh, wow.
Beat you up.
Oh,
How old is she?
It's 3 months.
3 months. Pretty little baby.
Are you a rat?
He's a sweetheart. He's really sweet.
Really? Awesome. What's his
Look at his
name?
eyes. You know I didn't catch his name?
Hello.
Look at those baby eyes.
Those baby eyes.
See that?
It's like 3 months, 3.5 months. Yeah, they came back.
Isn't that cool?
Isn't he fabulous?
Beautiful.
This is good for him to be here.
The bird should like this rain.
He's like posing. Look at how cute he is.
Wow. Well, hello.
Aren't you sweet?
When they're young, they're dark like that, and then when they get a little bit older, then they start getting bluer, grayer.
This is a great bird.
See how dark they are?
That's